Staff members of Swazi MTN have made financial contributions which have been used to purchase food hampers which will be donated to the less privileged in the country, particularly orphaned and vulnerable children. We have a report.
The Holy Bible states clearly that blessed is the hand that giveth than the one that receiveth, and blessed is he who takes care of the needy. Staff members of Swazi MTN has bought food hampers which will be donated to various care points in order for the less privileged and orphans being taken care of by those care points to enjoy Christmas this year. The donation is not from Swazi MTN but the staff members themselves. Lando Damin, the MTN Foundation coordinator, says as staff members of MTN, they sit down and discuss how they can help the needy this festive season. It is then that each staff member contributed a certain amount.
As Swazi MTN, we know that we're gearing ourselves up for Christmas. MTN employees decided to sacrifice their own money and their own time from their own pockets to actually buy food hampers, which is non-perishable goods such as tin stuff, your pasta, your rice, and the dried goods. They basically decided, Guti, we are MTN staff employees, but we also want to make a meaningful difference and brighten someone else's Christmas who is less fortunate or destitute. As a company, we are very passionate about our corporate social investment. As you may be well aware, we do a lot of work when it comes to working with government, health, and the community at large. During the month of June, we have what is called the 21 Days of Yellow Care, where MTN staff and MTN employees get up from their desks, from their workstations, and they go out into the communities to make a meaningful difference. For example, we do painting, we donate ICT equipment, etc. So as a company and as the MTN Foundation, we are committed to continue with investing in community initiatives.
Sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. What fields and flowers, rocks, hills and play. Repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
For Swazi TV News, I am Kian MCB, Ezulini.